Tired of payment delays and wondering if your Etsy bank info is actually linked correctly? Let's fix that by verifying your Plaid connection. First, head to your Etsy shop and click on Shop Manager on the top right corner. This is your central hub for all things related to your Etsy store. Next, locate Finances in the Shop Manager menu on the left-hand side. Click it. This is where you'll find everything related to your payments and billing. Now, within the Finances section, select Payment Settings. This section is dedicated to managing how you get paid on Etsy. You'll see your bank account details here. If your account is connected through Plaid, look for a prompt or a button that says something like Verify with Plaid or Reconnect with Plaid. It might also highlight that there is an active step to verify. Go ahead and click that button. This will initiate the Plaid verification process. A secure Plaid window will pop up. Select your bank from the list. If you don't see your bank, you can use the search bar. You'll then be prompted to enter your online banking username and password. This information is securely transmitted through Plaid's encrypted connection and never shared with Etsy. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once verified, you should see a confirmation message from Plaid and often a success banner from Etsy. That is all. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your Plaid connection on Etsy. This ensures smooth and secure transactions, as prevents any payment delays in the future.